Hi cake lovers! Today I'm going to be showing us how to make red velvet cookies using our white chocolate chips from lebourne chocolate. All right, so I'm sure you'll be wondering what that is, but let's get right into it. So I have measured out half cup of butter. In goes into my mixing bowl, and I'll be adding my brown sugar as well. So you can make use of any good brown sugar around you. Half cup of brown sugar into the mixing bowl. Okay, and I'm going to combine both of them together so you can use your hand whisk, you can use your hand mixer, just like mixing. You don't need too much mixing. All right, I have here 1.5 cup of flour. I have half a teaspoon of red velvet color, edible color of course. Then I have here 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of lebourne cocoa powder. So I'm going to combine this together, give it a quick mix, and then add it to my butter and sugar mix. Before adding your dry ingredients into the mix. So now, watch this turn into red velvet cookie dough. Combine thoroughly until you have this perfect red mix. Okay, so once it is properly combined, you add in your half a cup of white chocolate chips from lebourne, and your cookie dough is ready to bake. Alright, so combine and get your tray ready to bake. Look at that. So this is the red velvet chocolate chip cookie. Okay, so we're about to bake our cookies, but first wash your hands because we need to roll with our bare hands. Okay, so hands clean. So with a tablespoon or your ice cream scoop, scoop some of the dough onto your palm, roll a bit, not too much, and then drop it on your baking tray. Tap down slightly. Okay, scoop some more. So this is what you're going to do till you are done with all of this in this pan.